The email sequence I'm about to show you right now, this just for this one playbook, clients pay me more than 3 lakhs for the same. Okay, I'm giving this away completely for free. Now, what will happen after you implement this? First thing is your show up rates are gonna go sky high. Second thing, people's trust in you is gonna get sky high and they're gonna trust you faster than ever because right now it's getting competitive as hell out there, right? Third, this is the only strategy that top 0.01% people use that chances are your competition doesn't even use. When you use this, you'll see your sales going sky high, your show up rates going crazy high, and all the other benefits that comes with it. Enjoy the rest of the video. I'll see you after it. Okay, guys, this is a 26 email hammer them strategy. Like, you got to do this before your event or anything begins, okay? This will build instant trust. So email number 1 should be all about confirmation plus sending them the resources. You need to send them immediately once the registration is done. अब वो WhatsApp भी हो सकता है, email भी हो सकता है. I'm just showing email. You can also convert it into WhatsApp. The checklist is very simple. You confirm with all the dates, emails, everything. You send them all the bonuses, everything. Email number 2 is an engagement bait, right? This is when you send 4 to 6 hours after email number 1. You are having some, like, for example, hey guys, I just want to make sure you have received this email because the next email I'm going to send is very powerful. Reply ABCD to confirm if you have received this, and I'll put you in a separate list or something like that. Like, one of the emails I have, you see, my emails always lands in primary because of one of the reasons is I have extremely high engagement rate. One of the engagement baits I have is I have a secret bonus that I can't give to everybody, but this will help you do XYZ. If you reply the word ABCD, I will add you to a separate list where you'll get this bonus. वो जाता सबको है, but now I get so many replies. उससे क्या होता है, मेरा engagement बढ़ गया and my email list is also getting reactivated now. So my emails will land into primary because Google sees कि okay, he's getting so many responses, right? And one of the cool tactics you guys can use in email is at the end just write sent from my iPhone. So it looks like I'm personally texting you. So whenever you send an email from iPhone, you get that sent from my iPhone automatically. So it's a cool tactic for your engagement bait that you can use, right? So third email is a grand narrative. Grand narrative का मतलब क्या हो गया? You can connect your offer to a current macro trend, whether it could be political, economical, or tech. Show 3 specific ways trend benefits their situation. Third one, create around urgency around timing. This is the perfect timing because XYZ. Like, one of the things you guys would see me do, I don't know if you guys saw me do it or not, I talk about crossing the chasm a lot. Have you guys seen me do it? Yes? कि AI agents अभी यहाँ पे है. This is the point जहाँ inflection आ रहा है, जहाँ सब आके सब यूज करने लग जाएंगे. So you will lose your edge. Right? आप अपना edge lose कर दोगे अगर आपने यहाँ पे आके start करा तो. So I say कि before everybody comes in, AI agents is right now, jump in right now. So this is one of the examples, ki grand narrative, right? Like, show 3 specific ways how this trend benefits their situation, create urgency around timing on why now is the best time than ever. Okay? End with a forward-looking statement and reference the event again. The fourth one is safety numbers, right? Share 3 client examples similar to them. Include avatar similarities like age, background, and situation. Guys, एक चीज हमेशा ध्यान रखना, all of your buyers are going to be 30 plus. Or in fact 35 plus, right? In this room, who's 30 plus, raise your hands. Okay, except these 2 guys, everybody, right? That's the magic. You अपने रूम में खुद सर्वे करना, आपको पता चला 35 plus ही खरीदते हैं, तो क्यों बात करना बाकी लोगों से? जब पता है 35 to 55 is the major buying group, तो सिर्फ इनसे बात करो. I only talk to these guys. इसके लिए मेरे को मेरे दादाजी के पास, पापा के पास बैठ के इतना समझना पड़ा उनकी साइकोलॉजी को. Like, not kidding. I had to sit with mom, dad, dada to really understand what people think between 35 to 55. उनके लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स क्या है, मिड लाइफ क्राइसिस आता है, ये हो जाता है. तो I can talk more about those situations now. Right? Mention community group, right? Provide verification if possible. Show how they won't be alone in this journey. See, this is building trust. Trust is built when there is a community. Trust is not built alone. Right? अगर आपको पता चलता कि यार अगर मैं अकेला इस मास्टरमाइंड में आ रहा हूं तो you would have kind of doubted कि करना है नहीं करना है. But when you know a lot of people are coming, that builds an excitement, right? That builds a trust factor indirectly. So, and again, include PS about community support, that, we give this support, blah, 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 blah. So that's all about email number 4, which is safety in numbers, which goes on day 2. Now, email 5 se maza start hota hai. This is where your real objections you start handling. Address the number 1 industry objection directly in the subject line, right? Acknowledge the elephant in the room. Right? Give specific industry problem example. List 3 specific differentiators versus competitors. Provide verification steps and industry-specific reassurance in the PS. Okay, this email is all about your real objection. Talk about this real objection and actually talk about that. जो आपका सबसे बड़ा objection हो, सबको पता है अपना सबसे बड़ा objection क्या है? So you object it सीधा upfront. This is where real fun begins. Okay, now first you've broken down real objection. Then email 6 goes about time investment, right? Set realistic time expectations versus competitors' claims. You break down actual timeline by phases. Right? This is where you set time investment. Kitna time lagega, calculate total realistic time investment, etc., etc., etc. Email 7 is risk assessment. Be very honest about financial risks. Be very honest about time risks and condition risks and everything. Right? इतने % success rate आता है, क्यों आता है? You have to be very raw and honest about the risk assessment. Email 8 is realistic upside. Up, downside बात कर लिया, अब upside के बारे में बात करते हैं. Right? Where you share average results, not your best case. An average person get this much results. Include conservative timelines. Explain why not showing best case examples, etc., etc. Right? They focus on someone like you. Right? Promise to map their specific path. So this email goes as an upside. Okay. Now realistic downside. Address worst case scenario honestly. Include time and investment risk. Share their failure percentages if you know about it. And with which group will you be in? Will you be in the part of the successful group or the failure group? If you guys see, I talk about this a lot. 97% of these people in this industry make less than 3 lakhs per month. And I'm very upfront with that messaging. Very, very upfront. In my ads, in my emails, everywhere. Which is a realistic downside. And how do I connect? If you were to see, मैं time investment और ये real objections जैसे पहले बता दिया, ये सब क्यों होता है? क्योंकि implementation. So when you join my 3-day, I'm showing you AI agents can do everything. So I'm being very real and real honest. Then comes real scarcity. Ekdam legitimate real scarcity. These many people can join the Zoom room. These many people have registered. These many people can buy my offer. इतने लोग हैं, इसमें से सिर्फ इतने लेंगे, etc., etc., etc. Detail the consequences of delays. List what will happen, etc., etc., right? Then again, you can go even more deeper. Now you introduce your pillar introduction. Then pillar 1 में, see, आपके पूरे pillar में you'll have 3 to 4 pillars, correct? आपने जो new ways में 3 चीजें लिखी हैं, अब pillar 1 का introduction will be another deep dive email. Then pillar 2 deep dive. Then a pillar 3 deep dive. Pillar 4 and pillar 5 deep dive. आपके 5 steps को आपने 5 उसमें बदल दिया. अगर 3 steps है तो 3 step का pillar deep dive बना दिया. अब आएगा vehicle introduction, जो अपन ने concept बनाया था, उसका introduction. ये सब pre-seed हो रहा है. Okay? Then उसके बाद success story deep dive number 1, success story deep dive number 2, deep dive number 3. Then time objection. Address I don't have the time directly upfront on the email itself. If you're seeing you're having so much of communication protocols before even the event is beginning, तो इनके सारे objections सब खत्म हो चुके हैं यहीं पे. आप इसी को एक वीडियो सीरीज में भी कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. Right? You can take quick selfie videos and shoot it in WhatsApp groups about the same things. Right? So now you talk about time objection, then you also talk about money objection upfront. Then you talk about skepticism. Will this really work? You answer all of these things before even the event begins because वो register करके बैठे हैं. Right? Qualification. Am I qualified? Am I ready? Right? Then comes the comparison objection. Like, what about other options in the marketplace? This is also good. That is also good. This is also good. That is also good. Like, what about all the other things in the marketplace? Right? How do you talk about that? You be very, very upfront. Okay? Then the final urgency comes, is like you put all together and final urgency. Guys, we're getting started. It's going to be massive, etc., etc., etc. Right? So yeah, these are the things you need to make sure you take in mind, right? This is called the hammer them. You're hammering them with trust flywheel. We call this as a trust flywheel. You're hammering them with a lot of emails and WhatsApp messages. अब imagine this, right? Your show up rates कितना high जाएगा, because check this out, right? मैं बताता हूँ इंडिया का क्या सिनेरियो होता है. कोई रजिस्टर करता है आज, वेबिनार है 9 दिन बाद, 9 दिन के एग्जैक्ट 2 दिन पहले से हे गाइस वेबिनार शुरू हो रहा है, हे गाइस वेबिनार शुरू हो रहा है, हे गाइस वेबिनार शुरू हो रहा है. अगर आज वेबिनार है, हे टुडे इज द वेबिनार, हे 3 hours to go, हे 2 hours to go, 1 hour to go. तो you are using them as a transactional machine. क्योंकि तुम 2 दिन पहले से तो you're literally starting that entire conversation, right? The conversation should start in their mind. यहीं से ही you need to start the sequence. I'll show you my sequence, right? It'll blow your minds. Check this out. Check my open rates, bhai. It's 25%. This is the first email. Congratulations, welcome aboard. आप अंदर आ गए. ये रहे dates, ये रहे timings, ये रहा WhatsApp group. Day 1, Day 2, Day 3 में ये होगा. Here's what you need to know. Blah blah blah. Second one is invite pending. You remember I asked you for engagement clickbait. Check this out, right? Hey, did you join the WhatsApp group? If not, फटाफट कर लो, right? Third one is before we start. Oh, this is the engagement bait. Check this out. Since you're a part of our 3-day 1 crore scaling sprint now, I had a burning question to ask you. Reply and tell me. First one, what are you currently charging for your offers, consulting / products? Second one, what's your number one biggest bottleneck? Be critically honest. I'm reading all the answers. Hit reply and let me know. PS, reply and I'll be sending you crazy free gift on your email tomorrow. Keep a close eye on your stuff. समझ में आया? अब यहाँ पे सब रिप्लाई करते हैं क्योंकि उनको क्रेजी फ्री गिफ्ट चाहिए, बट वो मैं भेजता हूँ, वही मेरा अगला ईमेल है. आई जस्ट वांट मोर एंगेजमेंट आउट ऑफ देम, राइट? बिकॉज व्हेन दे रिप्लाई दे आर वेरी सीरियस. एंड आई हैव सीन, गाइस, आई हैव बीन दैट नर्ड. आई हैव सीन अ कोरिलेशन बिटवीन रिप्लायर्स एंड मेन प्रोग्राम बायर्स. इट्स वेरी हाई. ठीक है? So you need to make sure they reply. One of my friends, his name is Anik Singhal. Who knows Anik Singhal in the room? Okay, a very good friend of mine. You know what he does? After every webinar on the thank you page, he adds a Facebook plugin. Every webinar ke baad, he adds a Facebook plugin, and the video says, guys, go ahead and comment over here on how excited you are. When somebody has some kind of engagement running up, right, that seriousness goes very high. और अगला है मेरा free gift. This is a touch point again. कि hey, I wanted to give a free gift, my way of saying thank you, blah blah blah. Access the free gift over here. फिर अगला email, check this out. The email says 3 crore day for Deepak plan insight plus homework. Here is, say, since you've registered for the 3-day event, I have a huge video drop for you. This will legit blow your minds. I recorded a podcast with this person. It came out this. I created a live 3 crore day plan for him. Here's the homework. Watch this before day 1 continues. Guys, this podcast has more than 12,000-13,000 views. And I didn't promote it at all except this email. कितने लोग मेरे offers खरीदने के बाद आके बोलते हैं यार शुभ, what a podcast. Yes, I was planned and prepared for this podcast. I said things that will empower my person to buy from me. I hit those exact stories. Now, if you watch this podcast, you will immediately build trust with me. Immediate trust building हो जाएगा. Now the question of is शुभ legit or real, ये तो आज तक मेरे को जीवन में कभी ये question नहीं आया है, because I hit them with those stories accordingly. So the moment somebody watches this podcast, and plus Deepak is a little famous personality, because he's been there for quite a while now. So I added a picture also ki just in case if for somebody who doesn't know who's Deepak, right? So, well, great. PS, day 1 begins in, boom, another quick nugget, right? Like, hey, day 1 begins in this time. Okay? Then the next one, check this out. I paid 10 lakhs for what? This is a testimonial from Rohan. He gave me a testimonial, so I attached that also. Right? Ki bhai dekh. Because this was the time like Rohan was one of my competitors in that market. And since I was running, I'm like, great, see, check this out. This person is also recommending me. Boom. So also builds more trust. So as I said, right, I've never gotten a question that, and check this out. right? Go watch it and see what Rohan has to say about reverse finals. Can't wait to see you on 10th October again, day one. Can't wait to see you on this date and time. Okay? Check this out. Another podcast, right? Quick reminder, day one begins in blah, blah, blah. Here's the timer. Cool, let's get to another video drop. I've revealed some high ticket secrets that I've normally never share on internet. Go and enjoy the podcast. Right? Trust. हमारा WhatsApp group का अलग ही sequence है. And इसपे open rates are nuts, absolutely nuts. Like पहले email पे 50%, हर दिन 30 से 40%, 50% लोग open करते हैं every single day. That's the power of this, right? Like we all think email doesn't work or whatever. Honestly, it works like magic. So you need to take this flywheel and crunch it into your thing. The whole goal is to make them pre-warmed up before even the event starts. Hammer them. Like there's another strategy. It's called Venus Trap. Venus Trap का मतलब ये होता है कि okay, this is a science concept basically, जहाँ एक Venus सब चीज को trap कर लेता है. So we need to create a Venus Trap. So what we did this for Diwali launch, we did for Snap. Work like magic. अब लोग भूल जाते हैं. सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम क्या है शो अप रेट्स की? Why don't people show up? क्या मेरे 2-3 घंटे वर्थ इट भी रहेंगे कि नहीं रहेंगे? बट ऑब्वियस क्वेश्चन. और भूल जाना कि हमने खरीदा है. क्या आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है आपको 1 घंटे पहले याद रहा है कि भाई 1 घंटे बाद वेबिनार है, एंड आपको टाइम ऐसा चलेगा, oh shit, I had a webinar to attend, I had something to attend and you forgot. किसके साथ ये हुआ है? Right? 1 घंटे पहले and you immediately forgot about it. ऐसा भी होता है. तो Venus Trap का मतलब क्या होता है? Please write this down. The Venus Trap flywheel, right? Venus Trap का मतलब ये होता है तुम कुछ भी खोल लो, कहीं भी खोल लो, you are there. Venus Trap मतलब you are taking reels. जैसे एक obvious question है, क्या ये 3 घंटे मेरे लिए worth it भी रहेंगे क्या? So I record a simple reel or a podcast format reel and I run that as an engagement ad only for people who have registered at the 1,000 rupee budget. Now imagine this. If only 1,000 people have registered and मैंने 1,000 rupees per day डाल दिया, दिन में 1000 बार उसको वो ad आएगी. Are you guys able to understand what I'm trapping them everywhere. They can't forget. Like तुम कुछ तो करोगे. 7 बजे तुम Instagram खोलते, मैं वापस आ जाऊंगा. Hey, webinar is getting started. I'm excited. You've already registered. By the way, you will get 2 AI agents. Blah 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 blah. We send calls, right? तुम कहीं से उठाओगे ना calls, emails, WhatsApp, retargeting ads. कहीं से तो तुम आओगे ना. अब आपके दिमाग में एक एग्जाम्पल मान लो. Imagine guys, you don't know who I am. You've registered for my webinar. आपके दिमाग में क्या क्या questions चलेंगे? Write it down. Who's this person? Will this be worth it? ये कौन होता है मेरे को सिखाने वाला? इसमें मेरे को क्या कंटेंट मिलेगा? राइट? रिमाइंडर्स. 5 चीजें. 5 के बारे में रील्स बना दो. एक एंगेजमेंट कैंपेन में स्पिन अप कर दो. पूरा बजट ऑफ 500 रुपीज अ डे. चलने दो. कितने रजिस्ट्रेशन है तुम्हारे? I'll get there. Even if you have 500 registrations, मतलब तुम 1 रुपया एक बंदे को देना चाहोगे, तो imagine how many times those 5 ads will keep spinning on somebody's feeds. We did this for a Diwali launch. It worked like mad. Diwali के दिन, guys, we had a 32% show up rate. Diwali के दिन, not अगले दिन, पिछले दिन, Diwali के दिन. Testimonial में you need to make sure your face is there. You can be like, hey, see this brand. You've already registered. Don't worry, I'm going to reveal the same strategy. Be excited for day one. All the details are already there in your email and WhatsApp. If not, swipe up and you'll automatically be taken to the WhatsApp group. इससे आपके WhatsApp group enrollments will go very high. ऐसे free अगर कर रहे हो तो जितने लोग register कर रहे हो उसमें सिर्फ 60% go and join the WhatsApp group. Here now, because you're showing ads to everybody again, the WhatsApp group joining rate is also extremely high again. समझ में आ रहा है? You can write anything down. Why this person, right? Why should I learn from this person? What will I get out of this time that I'm going to spend, right? And is it even worth it? And one direct reminder. Hey, reminder, it's starting on this date. Pick a bunch of elements like industry के बारे में hype कर दिया, 1-2 success case studies की video record कर दी. Have these materials ready. इधर ही कर लो. शाम को जब खत्म हो जाता है जाके मस्ती करते हो, इससे अच्छा फटाफट ओपन अप द कैमरा, शूट अप 5 videos, send it to your editing and done. Guys, especially right now, why am I segmenting itna time just for this? Abhi we are in a trust recession. Trust is at all time low. Example by real estate, by finance, schools, इन सब चीजों में तो ट्रस्ट ही लगता है ना. ट्रस्ट सबसे ज्यादा चाहिए इधर तो. So you need to be, अभी example, if we were talking about it yesterday, if he comes and sells your offer, उसको ट्रस्ट का एक क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा. Am I right? अब मैं उसको जानता नहीं हूं पर्सनली, ना मैं उससे कभी मिला हूं, बट मेरे को पता है वो बंदा ऐसा काटेगा नहीं किसी का. Like you will never question if he sells you something. You will never question ki like is he a scam or not? See the amount of podcasts he has done. See the amount of goodwill he has put it out in the marketplace. You can become an overnight sensation यार. कुछ नहीं है, 1 करोड़ डालो, सब बड़े पॉडकास्ट पे चले जाओ और 50 लाख उठा के रील्स वालों को दो, सारे वायरल रील्स बॉलीवुड पेजेस में तुम्हारी रील्स कटेंगी, तुम ओवरनाइट सेंसेशन बन जाओगे. कोई ऐसा ब्रांड बनाना कोई इतनी महान काम नहीं है. इट जस्ट टेक्स मनी, बट फॉर दैट यू नीड टू हैव मनी टू पुट 1.5 crores out or put that 1 CR down on the line without expecting that return, right? For that, first make 15 CR from this, 10-15 CR from this, then you can go. Like how many is over here is also a good friend. He started his industry, made a bunch of money. Up now he put 2 crores in 1 year in PR and he's everywhere now. एक साल में he's become a viral sensation of the industry. Right? How? Put bunch of money. For the first, focus on making money. So now फटाफट write down all the quick nuggets. I want checklists. I want everything to be done, dusted here itself. अब क्या action steps लेने वाले हो? Like for example, I'm gonna record 1 podcast with XYZ person, wife, husband, brother, sister, mother, father, team member, anybody. Okay? How many videos or reels, random selfie videos, selfie reels I'm gonna record, right? For this show up, or for, I would say go on priority basis. Show up ads se zyada focus on touch points. Hope you loved the video. Go ahead and put your top 3 takeaways in the comment section right now, and I'll personally reply. I'll personally see to those. And also listen, if you have any questions, go ahead, put it out there. I reply to every single question out there as well. Second thing, subscribe the video right now and share it, because every week we drop bangers just like this of like private recordings and inner circle trainings and all these things that technically that's not available on internet, and nobody gets access to these things unless you pay me multiple 7 figures. All right, hope you enjoyed. Subscribe right now, share it with other people, share it in the communities, and apply it for yourself. Comment and let me know, what more kind of videos do you want from our side, and I'll see if I can upload those as well. Have fun. See you soon.